Hello, Seth Ovens from Blackwells Mazda. Today we're going to walk around the brand new Mazda CX-9 all-wheel drive limited. This vehicle is presented in arguably the best colour, or certainly one of the most popular, machine grey. Being the top of the range limited, it's easily recognised over the GSX by the large chrome skirt around the lower part of the bumper and also the 20-inch high gloss alloys. Power comes from the breakthrough Skyactiv 2.5 turbo engine, which develops 170 kilowatts, but more importantly 420 newton meters of torque, which is all available for only 2,000 revs. Now, to put it in perspective, that sort of torque is similar to what would be produced in a 4-litre V8 petrol engine. Now, as with all other Mazda passenger vehicles, it's covered by the 5-year warranty with 3 years free servicing. Vehicle has a very athletic presence, very powerful looking. It's beautifully finished inside. We have a full 7-seater. It's also factory leather. Both front seats are heated. We also have dual zone climate control, 6-speed auto, which is all Skyactiv as well, sport mode, MZD Connect and some other features which we'll go through shortly. New CX-9 picks up the larger 8-inch screen. It's touch screen or easily navigated with the MZD Connect. Factory 2-way electric sunroof, 6 airbags, dual front side, full curtain. Dynamic stability control is also standard. Limited features the Bose audio system, so there's 12 speakers including a subwoofer. So as you probably know, Bose has always been associated with top quality sound, so this system is very clear and also very powerful. The second row of seats is being designed to be easily accessed, for third row passengers to easily get out of the third row seat by themselves, simply by releasing that and pushing it. So adults can just not worry that children can get out of this vehicle quite easily by themselves. In the centre armrest, cup holders, but also a couple of fast charging USB plugs. You also see there's retractable blinds in the limited model, which can easily be accessed up and down. Vehicle has a 2,000 kg braked towing capacity. Limited gains the privacy glass in the rear as well. Reversing sensors, reversing camera. The reversing camera also features rear cross traffic alert. Have a power tailgate in the limited model. Now, this can be adjusted to only open to certain heights if you're restricted by space in your garage. Great feature, 50-50 split in the third row, so you're not penalised if you only want to carry 6, and it gives you plenty of luggage options as well. Now, every seat features, we have multiple tether points. It's also ISOFIX on 2 of them. Easily pull up, pull down, as you can see. There's a very high level of craftsmanship, and the materials, once you're inside the vehicle, you start to understand the quality and what Mazda were trying to achieve with this vehicle. It's remarkably quiet. Considerable effort's gone in to reduce the MVH levels. Must make it probably one of the most quietest vehicles in its segment. Top level of passive safety feature and an extensive range of advanced safety features. To reel off just a few of them, we have smart city brake support, rear cross traffic alert as mentioned, radar cruise, lane keep assist, and the colour heads up display. Multiple functions on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Obviously you can open the tailgate from here. Lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, iStop technology with the Skyactiv engine, which helps the vehicle achieve an 8.8 litres per 100 k's on a combined cycle fuel rating. Multifunction wheel, volume controls for the audio system. Once your Bluetooth device is paired, answer and hang up. We can switch between radar cruise control or conventional cruise control, whichever you prefer. Large colour screen there, also on the right, heads up display. So I'll just start the vehicle and may struggle to pick it up with the camera, but it projects onto the windscreen. You should just be able to see a very small 0 kilometres an hour. Now you can adjust obviously the height and the information that appears on that screen. The 8-inch touchscreen, now as mentioned, it's all accessible by this central rotating device. It's very defined, very easy. It's click, click, push down, or you can use the touch screen. But to give you an idea of how easy it is just to navigate around, I can go into music, settings, navigation, just by rotating the dial, and then back. Bluetooth music streaming is possible. You can also, it's internet radio capable as well. So you can see here Pandora, Stitcher, etc. The access to this is very, very natural. So resting your arm on the center armrest, you can easily just hover around here, adjust the volume, adjust the navigation, etc., either whilst driving or stationary. So all in all, it makes a very compelling purchase decision. This vehicle price is $62,995 plus on-road costs. Now that is considerably cheaper than many of its competitors, and there'll be several competitors around that cost twice as much that would have similar features to this vehicle. We currently have 3 vehicles available to test drive at Blackwells. We're located Morehouse Ave and also Waterloo Road, Racecourse Road, Stockburn.